Hey, what's up, guys? So we got another special day for you. I'm so excited. So excited! So you know what it is. A box in a box. It's nice. That actually got me, but bam! See that? Bam! Cheapy. How many times am I gonna say bam? There we go. So we got this. Let me just bring it up. Nothing too fancy. Check that out. Reason why I got this is for this, and this is why I'm so excited. Okay. Hopefully I don't break it. It's been a long time coming. I'm genuinely happy. Oh yeah. The DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Wow. Just brings a tear to my eye. Let's see, how do I open it? Looks like it has. Okay. I'm so excited. Come on. So this is what we got in it. We got this box. It's a DJI. Okay, we got these instructions. Just a little bit of instructions. We won't be needing these.
Says every man ever.
Here it is. We just busted the thing. This thing looks like a 45 caliber high point. No, that's better than high point. I'm sorry, guys. I should not have said that. Shame on me. Wow. So, comes with this micro USB. Do not eat. Whatever this is. Wow. So this thing. This is a styrofoam, so I'm kind of confused on how to take it out. I don't want to break it. Oh my goodness, babe. Dude. Now this is a game changer. So let me show you what this can do.
Hey, check, see if it fits on the tripod.
Oh yeah, that's why I got it. That's why I got this too. So, look, it has this screw right here at the bottom. So you get the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, make sure, and I repeat, make sure you do not buy the little stand for it, because I heard the stand won't work. But anyway, I could have went with like a Manfrotto little one, but you know what, all my time lapses and hyperlapses are probably I'm gonna want them to be high up. So it goes on there. It looks kind of like that, whatever.
Put it on.
Put it on.
Put it on.
Alright, let me see. So, I guess this is a tutorial, too. I got it, right here. So we got this thing, right? This thing goes on top, so you just, in theory, okay. Bear with me, folks. Oh, that's why. You gotta make sure you hold the screw in at the bottom. Did you just really sigh?
Mm-hmm. It's okay, you can edit this out.
You're the one that wanted me to put this on. Put it on, babe. Put it on. Okay. So here's one thing about this thing. What is it? A tripod? Whatever it is. Yeah. So it extends, you know, I don't know. Check it out, I guess. One of these years the link will be in the description, I promise. So it goes on like that, bam. So I gotta do a lot of stuff to set this up. But once I get it set up and running, I will come back to you guys.